Sonardyne Aberdeen first opened back in the late 90s as a sales office with a small workshop to allow for speedy repairs and maintenance of equipment for our local customers. Nearly 30 years later, our operations have continued to grow and expand. But what hasn't changed in that time is our dedication to our customers.
Our Aberdeen office has 5 sales managers looking after UK, Europe and Africa. Everyone here is an expert with our technical offerings, most having spent their time offshore before hanging up their overalls. This experience means they are best placed to liaise with our customers and advise the best products suited for their specific project or application. If an off-the-shelf solution is not readily available, we're able to engage with our engineering projects team at HQ to determine whether a bespoke solution would be viable.
Our focus has always been to build strong and lasting relationships with our customers by providing the best possible service and support we can offer. Though our teams have changed and grown over the years, our main objective has remained the same. Sonardyne Aberdeen team work hard to ensure maximum customer satisfaction, be in our speedy responses, our turnaround time, or liaising internally to ensure resolutions to queries or issues.
We have a fantastic administrative sales team here who provide additional support live for our customers, assisting with smaller systems quotes as well as processing, shipping and tracking orders. They work hard to ensure that every order and delivery goes as smoothly as possible, always keeping in contact with the customers and the factory to track progress of our orders.
As our markets have changed and grown over the years, we have worked to adapt to the challenges set before us by our customers. To keep up demand, we have expanded our offices and workshop spaces to make sure we can still provide our customers with the service and support they're used to. Our focus on investing in our future here in Aberdeen shows our commitment to this community and making sure we're right where our customers need us to be, to help them get to work as quickly as possible.
Our workshop technicians have always been trusted to deliver high quality service and repair work within tight deadlines, and we are proud to continue to serve our customers in the same way, even with our expanded operations.
Within the last year, our tech team has expanded from 3 staff members to 5. This has allowed us to accommodate a higher volume of work without affecting turnaround times. Our team is continually working to develop their knowledge and skills through internal products and systems training and through further education. We believe that continuing development helps us to provide the best possible service to our customers.
In 2023, we expanded our operations department to include our updated and expanded pool of hire assets, which are now available to customers. Our aim is to ensure that our newly released products are readily available to customers right away. Above that, if your usual channels don't have the Sonardyne products you're looking for, we can basically help ensure your project has the kit you need in the time you need it.
No matter what products leave our warehouse, whether it be a sale, a hire or repair, we aim to ensure that everything leaves our premises meets a high quality requirement we set for ourselves.
Our operations and service departments always aim to keep our customers' expectations in mind, always working to meet demand and providing solutions wherever possible.